talk about what this means for the presidential campaign. How will this be spun this election year? Ted, we heard from Romney basically saying he's the American people's chance to get rid of what he calls Obamacare. Speak to a little bit to that.
Yeah, I think the ratification of the individual mandate means that there are thousands of Americans that will be, of business owners that are now going to be compelled to engage in this burdensome new regulation that Obamacare has. And I think in that regard, it's going to be enormously unpopular. We already know the American people are overwhelmingly opposed to Obamacare. And I just think that if they stay on it, that the celebration at the Victory Grill that Ilana reported early on tonight might be short-lived.
Harold, your response to that, and also what about the tax
I might
talk?
agree with Ted, except for the fact that Mitt Romney is the Republicans' nominee, because you cannot attack successfully Barack Obama for his Affordable Health Care Act without creating collateral damage of attacking your own nominee, because Mitt Romney, he passed a plan in Massachusetts. It is funded in the exact same way with the exact same individual mandate as Obama's plan. And in fact, Obama's plan only used the individual mandate in the first place because that's what Republicans preferred to do. It only became evil when it was suddenly Obama's plan. Now, Romney earlier today, I listened to his comments and I thought it was fascinating. I don't know that he's got anywhere to be given his history as governor. What he said today, a shorter version of it was, if you elect me president, I'll repeal Obamacare and then I'll replace it with Obamacare. He described what is the law today. So I don't know how they use this in the election without damaging their own nominee.
Well, Harold, what about the tax talk? Will that hurt Obama?
No, I don't believe it will, because again, we're in the same situation. If it is a tax for Obama, then it is a tax for Mitt Romney when he passed the same funding mechanism when he was governor of Massachusetts, and that is the law today. Now, here's what the tax really is. If you can afford to buy health insurance and you don't otherwise have it because of your family's plan or because of your employer, then you pay a penalty. That's what it's always been, and that's what it is. I mean, that's the way the law passed. They characterize that in the Supreme Court today as a tax and sort of as a penalty, at least under the tax code. And if they want to characterize that as a tax, that's fine. That means Mitt Romney passed a massive tax increase in his home state.